Hi cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a Draw So Cute girl inspired by Snapchat's flower filter. So get your Sharpie or your pencil ready and your paper and let's get started. To draw this flower girl, we're going to first start by drawing the hair that's around her face. So I'm going to start right here, and this is where her hair is going to part. I'm going to stay about right here. I'm going to give myself a point, and I'm just going to draw a curve down. And then from there, we're just going to slowly build it. So this is where her hair parts. I'm going to come on this side, and I'm going to draw a curve that comes this way. And right here, so about this is how wide I'm going to make her face. So then about right here, I'm going to draw another curve that comes down. And I'm going to continue this down. So slowly build this hair that's around her face. And then right here, I'm just going to start coming down again. And right here, I'll just start to flare it out. And same thing over here. So this is the basic. You just want to surround, give it an area where you can put her face in. So then say about right here, I'm going to stop and say about right here, give myself 2 points, so about this side, and I'm just going to add a curve all the way across to my other point. There. So now we have this area right here we can start to put her eyes in. So right here on the edge right here, I'm going to start and draw a circle, but it's not going to be a complete circle because her hair is covering part of her face. So say about right here, I'll start my circle, nice big eyes, and bring it back in. So I'm going to do the same thing on this side. So about right here. And bring it in. Okay, so then from there, let's make them Draw So Cute eyes. So I'm going to come in here with 2 smaller circles at an angle and a curved line at the bottom. And shade in the top. And the lines at the bottom. So same thing over here. Okay, so then from there, we're going to come to the top, say about right here. I'm going to start to draw her brow. So just bring a point about right here, and I'm just going to draw a soft curve over her eye. And thicken it, and same thing over here. So about right here. And then let's give her a sweet smile right in the center. So say about right here. Draw a curve and cap it off. And then let's come in here and give her some lashes. So right here, I'm just going to flare out maybe 2 curves. Nice and simple. And same thing over here. 1 and 2. Okay, so now we're done with her face. Let's start to bring in all the flowers and her gorgeous hair. So let's see here. Let's come to the center first. Well, about right here in this area right here, we're going to start to draw the first flower. So it's all up to you what kind of flower you want to draw. I'm going to start right here with a rose. So I'm basically just going to swirl around and around. This is just a simpler way of drawing roses. So you can put whatever flower you want. It doesn't have to look exactly like mine, but you just want to build this little ring of flowers right here. So I'm going to start with that, and then Say right here, maybe I'll add another flower. So I'm just going to start to build. Put different kinds of flowers, whatever you want. Let's see here, about right here, I'll put in a big daisy. And here and there, I'll just add some leaves to fill in the space. Okay, so before I finish all of it, I'm just going to concentrate on this area that's right over her head, but I need to figure out her hair first so to finish it. So I'm going to come about right here where her hair parts. Imagine a parting line, so I'm going to curve it up, so about right here. Give myself a point. And right here, I'm just going to go up with her hair. And on this side, I'm going to come down. So if you're using a pencil, just go ahead and draw her hair first, and then you can put in the flowers. Makes it a little bit easier. So I'm going to come about right here. I'm going to start to build her hair. And I'm just going to stop right there because I know I have to finish off her hair. I'm going to imagine this coming down, so about right here. And I'm just going to start to wave it. Give it a little wave, come out. Okay, let's come in here. I'm just going to finish this off now that I know. So about right here, I'll finish it. And add some leaves maybe. Okay, so there, I have enough flowers. So I'm just going to go ahead and finish off hair area. So wherever you think you need, just add some curves in there and make it look like flowers. And so then from there, let's come in here. We're going to start to, let's draw her body first, sorry. Let's draw her, come over here and give her a little neck before we finish off the rest of her hair. So about right here. Give her a little neck. And I'm going to bring out her shoulders. And I'm going to imagine her armpits about right here. So I'm just going to give myself 2 points. And I'm just going to draw 2 very small lines, very short. And let's come in here and give her a neckline first. See a little bit better. And so then we're going to have to draw her sleeves first because we're having her hands together. So let's come out right here. And I'm just going to flare out a little sleeve. Get some ruffles. Maybe some lace. There. Okay, so then now the hands. I'm going to start from right here and I'm going to draw a curve on both sides. I'm just gonna bring it down. And let's come about right here. I'm gonna cut it off first so it's a little bit easier for me to see. So I'm gonna cut off her dress right here, maybe around the high waist area. So it's just a little bit easier to see right how long to put my hands. So then right here, I'm going to continue this curve, just following. And we're going to aim towards the center. So let's draw this hand first. Let's come down towards the center. So about right here, overlapping little thumb and fingers. And connect it. There. Now we're going to tuck this hand right in there. So just come right to where her thumb is. And in. There. Okay. And then now from there, let's finish off her dress. So about right here. I'll flare out her skirt area. Simple little dress. So come down a little bit more. But right there I'll stop and I'll add a bunch of curves all the way across. And you can add a little detail right here. And let's come back up here and add a few crease lines. There. Okay, now her feet. Let's come to the center. And I'm just going to bring a straight line down. And right here, 2 angle lines for her feet. And we're just going to bring this straight down. So maybe about that much. I'll stop and I'll flare it out for her shoes. And let's come in here. Just draw a little curve on both sides. Okay, so now we're done with her outfit. Let's finish off her hair. So I'm just going to come right here. And I'm going to start to curve it in. And as I come down here, I'm just going to exaggerate the curves. And right here as well. There. Some little poofier. Okay, so then for some details right here, let's finish this part off. Come out, bring out a strand right here. There, now it's a little bit more complete, right? Okay, so then from there, if you want to have your this girl holding a flower, just come right in here, and I'm just going to give her a strand. So it's up to you if you want to have her holding a flower. I'm just going to have her hold a little rose. So I'm just going to draw kind of like a U right here. And then I'm going to add an oval on top. And another little oval inside. And let's see here, add a little curve right here. And some leaves. So there, hope you guys love this flower Draw So Cute girl. And thank you so much, Draw So Cuties, for helping me name her. Thanks so much for watching. And if you loved it, please give me a thumbs up and share it. And remember to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.